I think it's day 60 or 70 of my day trading challenge. So I will be showing you guys what I did. I still have some hedges on crude oil, even though I made $200 profit on account balance overall. So that's what I'm waiting for my trading to actually come back up. I will be showing you guys what actually happened during my trading. I will tell you exactly what day it is. It's yeah, it's day 64, 65. Yeah. Um, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So it's day 66. Okay, day 66 of my trading challenge. So let's get to the action. Let's see what happens here, what's going to happen, and what I'm actually going to do, what I'm actually planning. So I'll show you guys the obviously the trading screen. As you can see, I've got crude oil right here. So I'll show you live trading right here. What I'm actually gonna end up doing with crude oil. Sorry, with Dow Jones. So basically, as you can see here, I went long over here. Now I see the market actually hoping back up, and I was hoping for it to actually go back down here and just take a profit. It didn't go anywhere. So I didn't make any profits. The market just didn't work any at all. So I'm probably actually gonna end up staying in here for a long time. This is a hedge. You can see there's a short here and there's a long here. So I've got this micro gap for around obviously 74 to 80. That's 6 points gap, which is almost a 7.64 gap for the crude oil I've got going on. So I will have to keep that, and we'll see what happens. So this is it for crude oil. Now let's get to the action and check out the equity. You can see my equity is $2,091, and the account balance actually went up 2,175 if I don't close the positions. Obviously, if I close the positions, that's going to be 2,090. So still overall on a profit of $90 after the whole month. So yeah, I've been trading with 0.13 lots and with the minimum lots, available lots with the $100 margin requested for each asset I've been trading, except for the US 30, where I'm actually using a $178 margin. So I'll show you guys if there's any trades going on. So let's try to just analyze the gold together. Then we get to the US 30. I'll show you how I'm going to be trading the US 30 as a obviously live trading situation. So there's going to be probably a yeah, this is a level. This is a pretty interesting level. This is a level over here for gold. I'm actually looking for gold to actually tumble back down. I'm seeing gold actually going short in a while. I see losing power, so we'll just see what happens here. I'm not super sure about it. Not sure about taking positions. I got some positions on a break-even point on gold, so I didn't touch it at all. We'll go side by side on Bitcoin. So let's just see what happens with Bitcoin. We're gonna take off all the paintings here, and I'll show you the drawings. Sorry. So this is a interesting level over here. I'm gonna try to set up those levels for you. So yeah, these are pretty interesting levels I got right here on the 5 minutes time frame. I will probably try to see a good old trend line right here. And then there's another good old trend line coming from back down right here, actually going up like this. So this is it. And also there's this tiny down trend line. So it's pretty much in a range. So I'm going to be waiting for the Bitcoin to actually give me a signal to either go short or long. So this is it for the Bitcoin. Let's hop on to US 30. US 30 seems pretty interesting. So let's just try to make it easier for us. So what's going on here is that there's a pretty downtrend line over here. And then there's massive trend line, pretty interesting. Actually got touched multiple times. Seemed to actually hold it really well over here. And I expect it to hold it really well over here. So I will try to delete all these levels and I will recoup and redraw these levels. So let's just get to that. So there's this base level over here. And then there's also this pretty interesting level over here, which you can see right here. And actually pretty much matches where I actually got in. So yeah, it seems an interesting level. And then there's this one, which is actually, as you can see, this level actually touched right here, right on the spot, right now, like this morning. See how this level, super interesting, actually went pretty well there. And also there's this yeah, I think probably not super sure about these levels, not super sure about this, but this is pretty interesting right here. So what I'm going to be doing right here is I'm actually going to try to let the Dow Jones play it out. I will probably try to go on another break-even point right here. So I will try to relong the US 30 if it ever gets down here, which is pretty much this level. And it seems pretty interesting right here. Okay, so I will try to go for a break-even point on 0.40. And I will set my order with no stop loss and just as a buy. Now, where's my stop loss going to be with this one? It's probably going to be down here. So I've got overall something like a probably 66-67% chance of it actually going good. But it's not very, very interesting. So I will try to keep it to 50%. And let's just see what happens. When am I actually going to take profits on this? It will be probably around a $30 line. I will watch it tonight. I will watch it tomorrow morning and just not touch it at all. So this is live trading. If it comes back down here, I will take the stop loss and just go short. Okay. So I'll set it up for now. I will be setting it up as a short stop, sorry, 0.1, with a take profit of around $20, which is super okay like this. And it's just gonna go and take the profit and then just go long, and that's pretty much it. Okay, so there's a lot to happen for tonight. It's up 2%, so probably it's gonna be tomorrow morning. But I'm actually saving myself from anything dangerous like this. So yeah, just set it in the right spot. Yes, this is where it's gonna be. So yeah. So yeah, I'm just obviously this is going to be a stop loss for, oh yeah, this one has to be canceled. And it's pretty much it. It's just waiting for the order to actually work it out and see if it goes, and if it doesn't, it's fine. I still see Dow Jones actually going up. So this is it for the Dow Jones. Crude oil, I still see the crude oil actually going up. It's losing a little bit of power, but we'll just see. I'm actually stuck with crude oil, so I'm not going to be touching it anymore. This is it for the day 66 of my challenge. There's like 25 days left before I start trading with 10K, and it will be a massive, interesting thing. So thank you guys for watching. Let's just see what happens. Let's see how it goes. It's been fun, and yeah, a road to 10K.